have a confession to make. I love big hair. I love a little bit of drama. I love to have va-va-voom. I love to be spotted a mile away from my hair. I love big hair. And for the longest time, I did not think that I could have it because of my hair type. I get a lot of shrinkage and I just didn't know how to work with it properly. But now I love wearing my real hair because I'm like, oh, I have some drama. Like I have some big hair and it's amazing. I love it so much. So today I'm going to show you how I get big hair and I go from shrinkage to va-va-voom. So if you're interested in seeing this, then just keep on watching. I got this inspiration from Jalen Mitchell. She is the big hair queen. She also has type 4 hair and I just love her videos, and she's just got me to like love wearing my natural hair. Not like I didn't before, but you know, I like to wear clip-ins like that mimic my texture. I like to wear clip-ins or like things like that to give me a little bit of extra oomph, but I don't really feel like I need that because I've just been able to learn some different techniques. So shout out to you, Jalen. I'll leave her channel down below, and she kind of inspired and gave me the idea for this. My hair is already styled. Basically just styled it with like a leave-in conditioner, a little bit of oil and some gel, twisted it up, and I let it air dry. It's been drying like this for like 2 days because I didn't have anywhere to go. So I would like put it back in a bun like this, you know, do my edges and all that, and it would be fine. So that's like my base that I'm starting with, and it's all in the technique. So I'm gonna start with taking these twists down. I'm gonna use a little bit of oil to do so. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in my hands. This is the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend. I really like this. It is less greasy than your average like oil blend. And I mean, if you don't have this, obviously you can use any type of oil, but it kind of helps take some of the crunchiness out a little bit when you use oil to take your twist down. So I'm going to take these down and then I'll show you the next step. And you don't have to worry about separating them too much. Just get them down and you can see, you know, the definition that I have. It's really nice. Okay, just wanted to check in. We're halfway done and this is where we're sitting. And so much definition. I'm gonna give it a little close up. So good, but we're gonna get even better. I just realized my all up in here with ashy lips, child. No. Just remedied that situation. Anyway, halfway done. Definition is looking right. Definition is looking tight. And I'm gonna get the other side. Okay, so here we are. This is where we started with the twist. Now we're gonna pump up the volume, no pun intended, from here. So yeah, this is where it ends. Cute, totally cute, love it. She's a cutie. And I would normally wear it like half up, half down like this because my bangs are like such an awkward length that, I don't know, I kind of feel like my hair looks a bit funny down, but it's still super cute, love it. But here's where the real stuff comes in. Let me get a clip. Let me get a clip. Okay, I'm gonna put away half of my hair. Half of my hair. And then I'm gonna take small sections. Small. And, you know, be gentle because, you know, you always want to be gentle with your hair. You don't want to cause breakage or anything. So I just take my time, as annoying as it is, to separate my stuff. Okay, I'm going to take small seconds. This is probably too small, but whatever. So basically, from this little twist out, hybrid wash and go twist out thing, I'm going to take my blow dryer. This is a Conair Infinity Pro hair dryer. And it has a comb attachment too. Obviously, we're not using that. We're gonna do like the tension blow dry method that you would do for like a blowout, but on your hair to get some volume. So I'm gonna take my hair like this. I'm gonna leave out the ends and I'm going to blow dry my hair. And the key is you wanna blow dry at the root. You wanna like hold it here in the middle and then hold it near the end so it gets an even blow dry. So it's not just like stretched out here and then not so much here. So you wanna like run it back and forth and then hold here, hold it here, hold it here. And it doesn't take long, obviously, because your hair is already dry and you want your hair to be 100% dry. You can do this on a wash and go, but I find that you just have more frizz. So that's the reason why I like to style and gel and twist my hair. Oh, that was a phone notification. I like to style and twist my hair because when I take it down, there's zero frizz to it. And then I will blow it and it just looks amazing together. And it gives you a lot of extra volume, some drama. You can use it on warm, or I've never really tried it on cool. I usually do like a cool shot at the end, but you can try it and see what happens. But I usually use warm or hot. And yeah, so I'm just gonna demonstrate it for you and show you what it is. And I'll leave about, I don't know, like this much at the end, that much at the end, an inch or two. So there we go. It looks funny now, but when it's all done, it looks a lot better. So yeah, you can see like, and granted this is in a ponytail, but you can see like here, here, here to here. It's a big difference. So I'm just gonna do the rest of my head and then I'll come back and show you like when it, well, not the rest of my head, but I'll come back and show you when it's halfway done. Here is the end result, all stretched. It will get bigger as the days goes on, but as you can see from the before, it added, like I have a lot of drama, and only like the other reason why I like this is because it helps with breakage for me because my hair is not twisting upon itself. The stretch, the intense stretch really helps a lot. And then, like I said, it'll get bigger and bigger. And I can wear my hair like this. Like either I'll put it in a pineapple or like I'll put it in some ponytails or a modified pineapple. I kind of switch it up based on how lazy I am that night. Sometimes I'll even braid it at night, but I can wear it for like a whole week. And then like every 7 to 10 days or so, I will either wash or like co-wash my hair, refresh it, deep condition it, and then I'll style it. But yeah, I freaking love it. It gives me a lot of va-va-voom, a lot of stretch, a lot of length, and it also is practical in the sense that like I can feel my scalp. My hair is not breaking off as much because of the stretch, and it's all moist, and I just freaking love it. So let me turn around for you. Oh, my deodorant. I keep doing this and you could see my deodorant, so sorry about that. So I'll turn around. So this is the back, and I'll do like a little length check, I guess. So I'm not like that far away. Well, I'm tilting my head. I'm not like that far away from waist length, maybe like a few inches or so. So yeah, I had a shed hair that came out. So I'm just been super happy with my hair lately. I've been really trying to grow it out. So I'm trying to get to waist length, maybe a little bit more, we'll see. So I'm gonna start doing some protective styles and stuff like that. And of course I'll film them for YouTube. But yeah, this is how I add a little drama to my hair, some stretch, some volume. You can pick it out if you want, just my hair doesn't do well with picks. So I don't really, like every now and again, I'll, you know, bob and weave and like lightly do something, but she doesn't fool with picks like that. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Let me know why. How have you been liking to wear your hair lately? Do you stretch it? What do you do? Spill all the hair tea below. Do you like this? Would you try it? And subscribe for more. And I'll see you on my next one, which will be tomorrow. Bye.